What's the meaning of crescent? Crescent. Crescent.
Crescent. Crescent. Crescent is a noun that refers to the curved shape of a thin, incomplete moon that appears in the sky. It is typically seen in the early and late stages of the lunar cycle when only a small portion of the moon is illuminated. The crescent shape is characterized by a convex edge and a concave edge that meet at 2 points. In popular culture, the crescent moon is often associated with Islam and features prominently on the flags of several Muslim-majority countries.